What's going on, guys? Here's your boy Abhi
and here's your boy Kalpesh
from Style and Physics.
In this video, we are going to share with you the style. And the grooming mistake which we made in our teens, so that you guys don't make the same mistake. So let's continue this video in
4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
So when I was in my teen, I had this so-called teen mustache, and that time I used to feel very proud of my mustache until in my late teens I learned that my mustache was a not mustache but it was a mustache. It's the biggest mistake which teens tend to make the most. Don't make the same mistake which I made, because then you will look like a uncle.
What your friends are wearing, guys. As when I was a teenager, I used to try the outfit which my friends were wearing just to fit in the group, which made me another lamb in the herd of thousands. Just get the hell out of your comfort zone, guys. Try new looks, new outfits, and be the guy out of the crowd in your college and grab the chick.
You need to wash your face 2 times a day, and that too using a face wash. During my teen, I used to rather than washing, I used to scrub my face with body soap, which led me to the pimples, the rashes and the breakouts. Remember, body soaps are meant only for body, and for facial skin, you need to use only and only the face wash.
Hey folks, don't wear that shit in your hand. Please, accessories. We tend to think that only girls wear accessories. No, guys, it's not fucking true. The things we wear in our hand are also called as accessories, boys. When I was a teenager, I used to wear the thread things in my hand, the ashikedo thing, which made me think I look cool, but it was really not. Accessories boys must wear are watches, kadas or bracelets, because our wrist cannot be empty-handed.
Don't wear the same type of clothes every day. What do I mean by this is that, take example for me. I used to wear only and only t-shirts every day, every week, every month and every year.
Brandy stuffs. You don't have to spend pointlessly on brands, because there are brands which have a great quality of stuff and are at very low cost. Instead of spending 2 to 3K, you can spend 1K on this shirt. People who love branded clothes, they can buy the stuffs online. Like you can see this t-shirt, like it's a Levi's brand and it's for only 500 bucks. First thing people notice about you is your shoes. You should never wear sports shoes during your college days. If you wear them, you just look like a creep. The essential part of your dressing is your shoes. You should keep them clean, tight and nurture them like your baby.
This mistake does not only apply to the teens, but also I have seen many people in their early 20s making these same kind of mistakes. So here we have shared with you our top teen mistakes. We hope that you don't make the same mistake. That's why we have put the video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. If you have already subscribed our channel, don't forget to hit the bell icon. We are going to put more and more contents related to lifestyle and fitness and also some cool stuff. So reach you guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.